Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 17th October 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, just as the Father gives happiness for your future 21 births, so you have to become the Father's helpers in the same way. Become ones with loving intellects. Never think of causing sorrow for anyone. Question. What is the task of you children who are Roop and Basant? What teachings have you received from the Father? Answer. The task of you Roop Basant children is to let jewels of this knowledge constantly emerge from your lips. Stones should never emerge from your lips. The Father's teachings for all of you children are 1. Do not trouble one another. Never become angry, that is the work of devilish human beings. 2. Never let your mind think of causing sorrow for anyone. 3. Tolerate everything, praise and defamation, respect and disrespect. If anyone says anything, just remain silent. Do not take the law into your own hands. Song is, You are the ocean of love. We thirst for one drop. Essence for Dharana. First is, don't be influenced by Maya and thereby have devilish behavior. Keep a register of your behavior. Do not do anything for which you would have to repent. Second is, serve with a lot of love and humility. Become very sweet. Do not allow devilish words to emerge through your lips. Remain very cautious about the company you keep. Continue to follow Srimad. Blessing for today. May you be ever ready to beat the drums of victory by collectively practicing having a constant and stable stage. Details are, the drums of victory in the world will beat when all of your thoughts are merged in one thought. When you all become collectively stable in one stage, you will then be said to be ever ready. To follow one direction in a second, to have a constant and stable stage and to stabilize in one thought, the symbol of all of this is one finger, the finger with which the iron-edged mountain is lifted. Therefore, practice creating a constant and stable stage collectively, for only then will the name of the Shakti army be glorified in the world. Slogan is, to be tired of making elevated effort is a sign of laziness. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. Your thoughts are made successful by your soul-conscious vision. That occult power is for a short time, but by using the method of remembrance, the result of this success in your thoughts and actions becomes imperishable. Those people use occult power, whereas you use the method of remembrance, and are thereby successful in your thoughts and actions.